Bonjour tout le monde, je suis professeur et on va parler du module 11. On va voir le panorama. We are going to have an overview here of module 11. So again, go to D2L, content, and below, start here, you have important due dates. Basically, in important due dates, you are going to find that this class is not self-paced class, which means that you have daily assignments from Monday to Thursday and you have to complete them promptly by the end of the day, or yes, by the end of the day of Arizona time. Also, something important, we have that each module has more or less 3-4 weeks in which we are going to have revision of the content, of vocabularies, pronunciation, grammar, and readings, as well as quizzes and unit tests. Also, we are going to have some Conversify assignments that are related to conversation, but we're going to discuss this later in another video. And for this kind of modules we are going to have, the first thing is that no worries. You're going to have one video explaining the whole module and weekly videos explaining you what is next. So make sure to check each module at the time, each week at the time. In other words, I'm only releasing module by module, week by week. It means that this module has 3 weeks, but so far the only week available is week number 1. Make sure to complete the service. Make sure to complete your introductions on Padlet and Flipgrid. Check Notre Tableau de class, and also start your VHL account and start completing the assignments. What we're going to study on module 11 in general. So basically, we're going to cover. We're going to cover the pronunciation of final consonants. Also, the issues we have between writing and reading it. Also, we are going to talk about the letter X, the pronunciation of the letter X. We're going to have some readings, some cultural stuff, like the technology, as well as other important topics in the Francophone speaking countries. Also, we are going to talk about grammar related to the prepositions with infinitive verbs, reciprocal verbs, also verbs that are going to have kind of different conjugation from the two verbs, like ouvrir or offrir. We're going to talk about the conditional, le conditionnel, et on va voir quelques activités à l'écoute. So this is the general overview of the content of the book. Remember, this schedule also implies that you are going to have quizzes, grammar quizzes, vocabulary quizzes, unit tests. You have to complete the assignments first before taking any quiz, before taking any test. That's the general rule. Also, we are going to practice for the unit test by using Flipgrid and Padlet. So make sure that you are following the prompts and that you are checking the content before taking any examination. And that's all. Merci pour votre attention, et any new Google Slides I will post here are related to some explanation I can provide you with. And also, I will create videos explaining you grammar just in case something looks kind of difficult. So if you need a specific grammar topic to be reviewed, just let me know and I will be a video for you. And c'est tout. Merci pour votre attention et à la prochaine. Au revoir.